Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where you can find all things beauty here. Today I will be sharing with you guys a makeup look using new products. All right, um, I'm using Peerless Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40, which is one of my favorite like foundation BB creams. Um, if you don't know, a BB cream is like it's very creamy, and it has sometime in most cases, BB creams you can get really high up in the SPF. Um, yeah. So this one here has a SPF 40, and I like that. Also, this is infused with vitamin C, collagen, benconchal. Yeah, benconchal. Um, so this foundation here, this cream give you a nice glow. I love it. So now, girl, diving into that new Fendi, girl. I had to go get that, okay? Because I just love Fendi highlighters, and they're so nice. So this one here is how many carats, okay? You got trophy wife and how many carats. So diving into that, loving how that is. Looks nice. And let me know, girl, what you guys think about this video down below. Talk to me. Have you tried Fendi? Have you tried this Peerless BB cream? Tell me something. Or and also, guys, I just seen that I used the Juvia's Place brow um gel. So now I'm going into my new palette, okay? And I love this freaking palette, girl. It's really nice and it's pigmented. And let me tell you, girl, I've worn this palette. I'm packing right now. Because, me and my sister, we're in the midst of trying to find us somewhere to go, child. But anyway, packing or whatnot. And this is it. I had to put it up because this one kind of special to me. My daughter really like these characters, and I like them. I think the palette, I can't remember what the palette called. I can't see it, but I would definitely put the name of this palette in the description box. Yeah, really nice palette. So I like to use my finger when it comes down to the shears now. Just to see what happened, just really see what happened and just share with you guys that you can actually do it that way. All right. So yeah, girl. Oh, girl, I got a lot to catch y'all up on, but that'll be in another video. Diving into my liner, and I'm using the NYX Epic Liner. You guys know I love that. I love to drag that cat eye, that wing. I like to drag it as much as I can, and I like to get it. So I like to get that wing deep. I don't mind it being dark. So I also picked up the whole collection, girl. I went up in there and got the whole collection of these characters. Y'all know what they are, but this here, girl, is that gel. It's like a gel glitter. And when I tell you, girl, the sheer of this product is so nice. I love glitters. Cause y'all know how I did for Halloween with the ColourPop collection. Girl, ColourPop can come out with some great glitters, cause I did get the Nightmare Before Christmas, and yeah, let me tell you, girl, I love me a good glitter. So I got everything that they had over there, okay? Everything that came with the collection, okay? Um, and yeah, I just came up with this look, because I just thought, I was going to do something, and then I ended up going to dinner with my friend, and what else? Oh, girl, I went to the Barbie movie this day. Yes, she was lit for the Barbie movie. I didn't know I was going to the Barbie movie though. But I knew I was going, but I didn't know I was going with my friend. But I ended up going with my friend, which made it so much better. Girl, a good movie. I understand it. If you a mother, your mother and daughter thing, I think that'll be a great thing for you, and your daughter to go to. But it's probably, Netflix now. Who knows? Things don't stay in theater long. But anyway, it was pretty cool. Um, so girl, I'm diving into that lippy, and I think this is a red lipstick from Urban Decay. Um, yeah, I just don't get into too much showing product anymore because, like, what's the use? Unbreakable by Urban Decay. It's the really nice thick one, and I don't know how much product in there, but I would hope it's just as much product in there as needs to be with this nice um packaging. Okay. Um. So yeah, this look really turned out really nice. I was really happy with it. So girl, I decided to go in with some lashes, girl. I've been wearing glasses because I've been working and I just like I don't really wear my glasses with my lashes because it's hard to find the right ones to fit. But I really like to put my lashes on, girl, whenever I get a chance, and I don't care. I like my script, because I can take it off whenever I need to. I just need to look up, do what I do for a moment, I can take them off and on. I like the crazy dramatic lashes, and I'm just gonna get more into that, like get more like glitter in my lashes, Yeah, but YouTube say y'all don't really watch, my makeup tutorial videos, so I bring more hair tutorials to you because y'all really don't watch this. That's what YouTube said. But anyway, this is how it looks. This is it. She's, ready. I always need to touch up, so yeah, let me get y'all a closer look. All right, so if you guys are new here, I got so many videos, like I can just stay with you guys all day. So if you like them, you love these videos, you love my personality, subscribe. Hey, watch more videos behind this. Watch my whole playlist. Watch it. Watch. You guys can be with me all day. I can just like talk to you guys all day. Catch y'all later. In the next video you finna watch like right now. Right now.